Every business in the world is being changed by AI right now. But did you know there are actually 10 completely different types of AI tools for business? Each one built for a completely different purpose. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one could transform your business. Let's get into it. AI CRM Tool. Customer relationship management systems powered by artificial intelligence have transformed how businesses track, understand, and engage with their customers throughout the entire sales and service relationship. Salesforce Einstein, the AI layer built into the world's most widely used CRM platform, analyzes customer interaction history, purchase patterns, and communication data to predict which leads are most likely to convert, which customers are at risk of leaving, and what products each customer is most likely to want next. These predictions allow sales teams to focus their limited time on the opportunities most likely to result in revenue, rather than treating all leads and customers with equal attention, regardless of their actual potential value. AI-powered CRM tools also automate routine data entry tasks that previously consumed significant portions of a salesperson's working day, freeing their time for the relationship-building activities that genuinely require human judgment and interpersonal skill. AI Marketing Automation Tool. AI marketing automation tools manage and optimize the complex, multi-channel marketing activities that modern businesses use to attract and retain customers. Email campaigns, social media posting, digital advertising, content distribution, and customer segmentation at a scale and level of personalization that would be impossible to achieve manually. HubSpot and Marketo have built comprehensive AI marketing platforms that learn from customer behavior data to determine the optimal timing, channel, and message for reaching each individual customer. Rather than sending the same email to an entire customer list at the same time, AI marketing tools analyze when each individual customer is most likely to engage, what content they are most interested in, and what offer they are most likely to respond to, then deliver personalized communications accordingly. The result is significantly higher engagement rates and more efficient use of marketing budgets. AI Accounting and Finance Tool. AI accounting and finance tools automate the time-consuming and error-prone processes involved in financial management, categorizing transactions, reconciling accounts, generating financial reports, processing invoices, detecting fraudulent transactions, and forecasting future financial performance. QuickBooks and Xero have integrated AI capabilities that automatically categorize bank transactions based on learning from the business's historical categorization patterns, dramatically reducing the manual bookkeeping work previously required. AI fraud detection systems continuously monitor transaction patterns and flag unusual activity that may indicate fraudulent transactions, often identifying fraud faster and more accurately than human reviewers could. Financial forecasting AI tools analyze historical revenue, expense, and market data to generate more accurate predictions of future financial performance, helping business leaders make better-informed decisions about investment, hiring, and operational changes. AI HR and Recruitment Tool. AI human resources and recruitment tools assist businesses with the complex and time-intensive processes involved in finding, evaluating, hiring, onboarding, and retaining employees. Applicant tracking systems enhanced with AI can screen hundreds or thousands of resumes in seconds, identifying candidates whose qualifications and experience best match a job description without human reviewers spending hours reading every application. LinkedIn's AI-powered recruitment tools help hiring managers identify passive candidates, people who are not actively looking for jobs, but whose profiles suggest they might be good fits, and craft personalized outreach messages. Employee engagement AI tools analyze communication patterns, survey responses, and productivity data to identify employees who may be at risk of leaving, allowing managers to intervene proactively before valuable team members decide to resign. AI Customer Support Tool. AI customer support tools handle the front line of customer service interactions, answering common questions, resolving standard issues, processing requests, and routing complex problems to appropriate human agents across email, chat, social media, and phone channels simultaneously. Zendesk and Intercom have built AI customer support platforms that combine chatbot automation with intelligent routing and agent assistance tools that suggest responses and pull relevant information during live customer interactions. The business case for AI customer support is compelling. The same AI system can handle thousands of simultaneous customer interactions at any hour without the cost of additional staff, while response times drop from minutes or hours to seconds. AI support tools also continuously improve by learning from every interaction, becoming more accurate and capable over time as they encounter more customer questions and see how human agents resolve complex cases. AI Project Management Tool. AI project management tools help businesses plan, execute, and monitor complex projects more effectively by automating administrative tasks, predicting potential delays before they occur, optimizing resource allocation, and generating progress reports automatically. Monday.com and Asana have integrated AI capabilities that can automatically generate project timelines from high-level goals, suggest task assignments based on team member workload and skills, and alert managers when a project is showing early indicators of falling behind schedule. AI project tools analyze historical project data to improve the accuracy of time and resource estimates for new projects, addressing one of the most persistent challenges in project management, which is the tendency for projects to take longer and cost more than initially planned. Automatic meeting summary generation and action item extraction from project discussions are increasingly common AI features that reduce the administrative burden on project teams. AI Data Analytics Tool. AI data analytics tools allow businesses to extract meaningful insights from large volumes of data without requiring specialized data science expertise, making advanced analytics accessible to business users who understand their domain but may not have technical analytical skills. Tableau and Microsoft Power BI have integrated AI features that allow users to ask questions about their data in plain English and receive automatically generated visualizations and analyses in response. Predictive analytics AI tools identify patterns in historical business data and project them forward to forecast future trends in sales, customer behavior, operational performance, and market conditions. The democratization of data analytics through AI tools has shifted the competitive advantage from companies that can afford large teams of data scientists to companies that effectively build a data-driven culture where business decisions at every level are informed by analytical insight. AI Cybersecurity Tool. AI cybersecurity tools protect business systems, networks, and data from the constantly evolving landscape of digital threats by continuously monitoring for suspicious activity, identifying patterns that indicate attacks in progress, and responding to threats faster than human security teams could. CrowdStrike and Darktrace have built AI security platforms that establish a behavioral baseline for normal activity on a business network and then identify deviations from that baseline that may indicate a breach or attack in progress. AI tools can detect and respond to certain types of threats within milliseconds, far faster than any human security analyst, containing damage before it spreads. The volume and sophistication of cyber attacks have grown to the point where human security teams alone cannot monitor and respond to threats at the scale required, making AI augmentation of cybersecurity operations not just helpful, but essential for organizations handling sensitive data. AI Supply Chain Tool. AI supply chain tools optimize the complex logistics of sourcing, manufacturing, warehousing, and delivering products by predicting demand, identifying potential disruptions before they occur, suggesting optimal inventory levels, and automating routine procurement decisions. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed catastrophic vulnerabilities in global supply chains and accelerated adoption of AI supply chain tools that can model disruption scenarios and suggest alternative sourcing strategies. Amazon has built sophisticated AI supply chain systems that predict what products customers will want before they order them and pre-position inventory in fulfillment centers closest to where demand is anticipated. Smaller businesses use AI demand forecasting tools to reduce the twin problems of overstocking, which ties up capital and inventory, and stockouts, which result in lost sales and disappointed customers. AI Legal and Compliance Tool. AI legal and compliance tools help businesses navigate the complex and constantly changing landscape of laws, regulations, and contractual obligations that govern commercial activity. Contract analysis AI tools can review hundreds of pages of legal documents in minutes, identifying unusual clauses, potential risks, missing provisions, and deviations from standard terms that would take human lawyers hours to find. Compliance monitoring AI tools continuously scan business communications, transactions, and processes against regulatory requirements, flagging potential violations before they result in penalties. In heavily regulated industries like financial services, healthcare, and pharmaceuticals, the volume of compliance requirements has grown to the point where AI assistance is increasingly necessary for businesses to maintain compliance without dedicating disproportionate resources to regulatory management. Major law firms and corporate legal departments have integrated AI contract and compliance tools to allow their lawyers to focus on complex, judgment-intensive work while AI handles the high-volume review tasks. That covers 10 kinds of AI tools for business we have for you today. If this video helped you understand something new, make sure you subscribe to ByteSimple right now, because next week we're breaking down 10 types of AI in healthcare, and trust me, you do not want to miss that one. Drop a comment below and tell us, which AI business tool do you think would help your work the most? See you in the next one.